Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, September 3rd, 2024, we're diving deep into the world of Litecoin, LTCUSD, to see what's driving its price action and whether there's a bullish or bearish outlook for the future. We'll start by examining the latest news surrounding Litecoin, exploring the potential impact of upcoming events like the halving event. Litecoin's halving event is expected in a little over 3 years, in July of 2027. This event is a significant factor in the cryptocurrency market as it reduces the rate of new LTC issuance. Historically, halving events have led to price surges in the past, so investors are likely anticipating this event and its potential effects on LTC's value. However, it's important to remember that the market is always unpredictable, and there's no guarantee that the halving will result in a significant price increase. Aside from the halving, recent news highlights Litecoin's ongoing development and adoption, including increased transaction volume and the implementation of Mimblewimble, a privacy-enhancing technology. This positive news suggests that Litecoin is still a viable player in the cryptocurrency space, and its long-term prospects may be promising. Now, let's move on to the charts and see what the technical indicators are telling us about LTCUSD. Firstly, let's take a look at the daily chart. Here, we can see that LTCUSD has been in a downtrend for the past few months. The price has consistently fallen below key support levels, suggesting that bears are in control. However, it's interesting to note that the recent price action seems to be finding support at around the $60 mark. This could be a sign that buyers are stepping in to defend this price level. If we look closer at the last few candles, we can see some hints of a potential reversal. The wicks on the candles are getting shorter, indicating less volatility. The volume is also starting to decrease, suggesting that momentum is slowing down. These are positive signs for bulls, but we need to see more confirmation before declaring a bullish trend. On the other hand, if the price breaks below $60, it could signal a further decline. We need to pay close attention to the next few candles to see how the price develops. Now, let's switch to the 1-hour chart to get a more detailed view of the recent price action. Here, we can see that LTCUSD has been consolidating for the past few days, moving in a tight range. This consolidation could be a sign of indecision in the market, with bulls and bears battling for control. However, the price has recently bounced off a key support level at $62. This bounce could be a sign of increasing bullish momentum. The volume on the bounce was also relatively high, which is another positive sign. If the price can break above the resistance level at $64, it could signal a bullish breakout. This breakout could potentially lead to a significant price rally. On the other hand, if the price fails to break above $64 and falls back below the support level at $62, it could signal a bearish reversal. It's important to keep an eye on the volume and momentum to determine the direction of the next move. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to see how the price has been moving in the very short term. Here, we can see that LTCUSD has been trading in a very tight range for the past few hours, with the price fluctuating between $64.50 and $65. This suggests that there's not a clear direction for the market at this moment, with bulls and bears engaged in a tug-of-war. However, the price seems to be holding above the $64 mark, which could be a positive sign for bulls. If the price can break above $65, it could signal a bullish breakout in the short term. On the other hand, if the price breaks below $64, it could signal a bearish reversal in the short term. It's important to note that these short-term fluctuations can be quite volatile, so it's crucial to have a well-defined trading strategy and manage your risk carefully when trading in this time frame. Looking back at the daily chart, we can see that there's a significant resistance level at around $70. This level has been a major barrier for the price in the past, and it's likely to be a challenge for bulls in the near future. If LTCUSD can break above $70, it would be a strong signal that bulls are in control and that a significant price rally could be on the horizon. However, if the price continues to struggle below $70, it could indicate that the downtrend is still in place and that further price declines are possible. As we move into the future, it's important to stay informed about any news that could impact Litecoin's price. For example, any news regarding regulations or new partnerships could have a significant impact on the market. It's also crucial to keep an eye on the overall market sentiment, as Litecoin's price is often influenced by the movements of other cryptocurrencies. The Bitcoin price, in particular, tends to have a significant impact on Litecoin's performance. To summarize, LTCUSD is currently in a volatile market. The price is consolidating in the short term, but it's unclear whether this consolidation is a sign of a bullish reversal or a bearish continuation. The $60 level on the daily chart is a critical support level, and if it breaks, it could signal a further decline. On the other hand, a breakout above $64 on the 1-hour chart could signal a bullish breakout. Looking ahead, we need to watch for any signs of a breakout above $70 on the daily chart, as this would be a strong signal of a bullish trend. However, it's important to manage risk carefully and be prepared for any potential reversals in the market.